Today's my crosswalk experience right now in Main Street and Broadway Avenue. Oh, that one doesn't work. Once again, I'm still here by myself. We cross over here, go to the right, okay, we can do that. The one we did like a week ago. That one doesn't work. I guess I have to wait for a little bit. Now you can see now this crosswalk button isn't working. It's still, it's gonna work like 1 year ago now. It's not working. No. So push button for walk sign. I'm gonna show you now. And then to the walk sign, we're not gonna cross over there. So this one has a 20-minute countdown on this one. So this one will count down to 20 through 1. So we're gonna wait. So we're gonna wait here. Okay, let's go. We're gonna wait until the walk sign's on. And let's see the other one.
Main Street. Walk sign is on. 10, 9.
This one's not working as well.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, this one has an 11-second countdown on this one. So I'm gonna wait here. So now we're gonna cross Broadway Avenue now. Okay. There you go. Whoa. We have the other one.
Broadway Avenue. Wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue. Traveling north 8, 7.
Oh, this one as well?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Another countdown. I pressed the button now. We're gonna wait for the walk sign. So now the arrow's pointing over here. So this is traveling north.
Wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue. Traveling north.
Traveling north. Yep. Push button for walk sign. Walk sign, I mean, it's right over there. So basically, the red hand. No. So look. This red hand's on. Basically, when the walk sign's on, you'll be crossing the street. Okay, guys? So, I'm gonna wait here.
Wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue. Traveling north.
Yep, it's north. Basically, when you push the button, this one does the chirp and all that. A chirp means like this. We're gonna wait for it now. So we're gonna wait until this traffic light over there will turn green. But this one actually, the green arrow and the green light is gonna go through over there. So we have to watch it until it comes on. There you go. Now we'll be going to the left side now.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street. Traveling east.
Traveling east. Now I said traveling east.
Wait.
This one actually says wait too.
Wait.
So I'm gonna wait there for a second until the walk sign. Oh, we're gonna wait until the walk sign's on.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street. Traveling east. Wait.
Yeah, this one actually, we're gonna wait until the no turn on red sign will come up soon.
Wait.
So I'm gonna tell you that now.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street. traveling east.
So as you can see, we're gonna cross Broadway. Broadway
Wait.
mean I'm gonna cross.
Wait. Wait. Broadway Avenue.
There you go.
Broadway Avenue.
And that is it.